Alright, today is Tuesday, August 16th. I'm going to go over our morning's trades here in the live trading room. It was a really choppy morning this morning. We missed a few trades, not too many though, and we were back and forth a lot of the morning. Okay, we ended up right now we're down 1.5 trades. We're down 12 ticks on the ES. Alright, now when the morning opened up right here, we'll say at 9:30, we missed this continuation trade right here, right at 9:30. Alright, there was a follow-up trade after that. Hang on a minute. Just a minute. I'm going to scroll around. I'm not sure if blowing this up is such a good idea, but I'm going to try to. And I'm going to scroll back to the morning. You can see all the trades that I took are in yellow there. And I'm pretty sure we missed the first trade of the morning. Yeah, we did. Right here. This was the first trade of the morning. It was an elbow breakout that worked out well. We missed that one. Alright, we got the continuation trade here. You see we had the bubble and we waited for the pullback to the BBC. We entered here and we took a break even over here. Alright, the market reversed. We had a breakout on the downside, and we got profit right here. Alright, we took a short here and we took our profit here. Now in this particular instance we had a bubble and a pullback up to the BBC at the same time. That trade worked out as well if you wanted to wait for the continuation trade rather than taking the elbow trade. Alright. We had a bubble and a pullback up over here, and that trade stopped me out, putting me back at break even. I took a trade over here, which I shouldn't have taken. Alright, we didn't have the setup exactly right, and that stopped me out, putting me down 8 ticks. I took an elbow breakout trade right here that did form correctly, and I ended up taking break even on that trade. Alright, I followed it up with a continuation trade off the BBC right here, and I got my 8 ticks back. So right here I was break even. Then, hang on, as I scroll over here, you'll see things got really choppy right in this area, 93, 94 area. We were stuck in this area and things got really choppy in all the markets right in that area. And as I scroll over here, I'll point it out to you. I took a long trade right here on the elbow. This was a valid trade. It went up quite a ways up, and I had reduced my stop to 1 point. I was considering reducing it to break even. What I was thinking at this point was that it was going to move up and fill the gap. The gap was up at 96.50. Alright, my target was right there at 96.5 on this trade. It ended up coming back and taking me out at minus a point. Alright, over here we had another trade at the break of the elbow. We didn't exactly get the breakout down here, but it was pretty close. That stopped me out by a tick or so, and then it moved to the profit target on me. There I was minus 4 ticks. Here I was minus 12 ticks. This one right here was a valid trade, a valid long trade. That stopped me out before it moved up, filled the gap like I wanted to do over here. So this put me at minus 20 ticks. Alright, in the break in between 11:30 and 12, I took a long trade in here and I ended up taking break even on it. Over here I didn't finish with this, but I did take break even on it. Over here, and it's not drawing my arrow. Anyway, right here is the meeting started. I took a long trade right here. This is the one that I said I was in. I took a long trade. My target was 8 ticks, and it nailed the 8 ticks. So as of this trade right here, I was minus 20. Right, minus 20 ticks. Okay, I put it way over here, and it's disconnecting me. As of this trade right here, I was minus 20. As of this trade right here, I was minus 12. Okay, I got 8 ticks back on this trade right here. This is when the market, it jumped up, it gave me 8 ticks, and then it just totally reversed. This is right here. So there was a short opportunity, nope, not right there, but right here. After the bubble, the pullback up to the BBC, and it bounced right off the BBC for another couple of points. I am having serious issues here. Okay, it looks like it's trying to recover here. I I'd show you the YM if I could. You can see I'm down 8 ticks on the YM. I'm down 1 trade on the YM, and I'm down 1.5 trades on the ES. And that was pretty much my morning. I took 1 trade on the YM. There were a few nice trades on the YM. One of them I was in, but it didn't go far enough for me to take my risk off, and then it came back and it took 8 ticks away from me. On the ES, I'm down 1.5 trades right now. So, it's 12 ticks. That's not really that much to make it up. And that was it. You can see I'm having connection issues here this morning. But overall, the market's been really choppy this morning. This move that it's doing right now, the move that it was doing, it seems to have slowed down now. The moves that it was doing they were tradable anyway. It looked like it moved right back down into the zone areas. When it comes back up, we'll be able to discuss it. But right now, we can't do anything because I just lost my connection again. And that was pretty much it. That was my morning. All right. So I'm down 12 ticks on the ES, and I'm down 8 ticks on the YM. And here it comes, and there it is, right into the zone area again. All right. That's what I wanted to show you. Now over here on the YM, I'll just take a quick minute here, and I'll show you what was going on. This was a trade that I took. This was a trade that I missed. Reconnecting again. I don't know if that's me or if that's them. But anyway, I think it's me because when I use up all the memory, it seems like it loses a connection for some reason. Anyway, I'm going to end my recording here. All right, and then we can discuss this a little more.